the 1960s, factory workers were replaced by industrial robots. In the 90s, the internet changed the world forever. Now AI is the next thing to disrupt the world. Are you gonna stand there and just watch AI happen, or are you gonna use it for your advantage to start making money online? This is exactly how I would use AI to start making money online in the fastest way possible. I would go to brandcrowd.com and let AI start coming up with a business name for me. Then I would head over to logoai.com and I would have AI create a logo for me. And then I would head over to ChatGPT and let it create my entire product descriptions for my online store, so I wouldn't have to do any of that tedious work. I would also let ChatGPT create any ad copy, hooks, and marketing angles for my online store so I can start driving traffic to it and get people to buy my products. These are the same tools I always use and my students are always using to build and grow online businesses with AI. So if you want to talk to me one-on-one on how you could start building and growing an online business, go ahead and comment the word grow and I'll send you a DM and let's chat one-on-one. Let's go!